Nobody thought a tiny interest rate tweak in Tokyo could touch your wallet, right? On July 31st, 2024, the Bank of Japan raised its rate by a fraction, just 0.15%, barely a headline. But billions of dollars around the world were quietly borrowed in cheap yen and parked in American stocks, tech shares, even Mexican bonds. It's called the carry trade. Borrow yen for almost nothing. Invest it where the returns are higher. Pocket the difference. For years, it worked beautifully. Then, the yen started rising. Traders panicked. They had to sell everything fast to pay back their yen loans. On August 5th, 2024, Japan's Nikkei stock index crashed 12.4% in a single day. Worst crash since 1987's Black Monday. The S&P 500 dropped, crypto tanked. Over $600 billion vanished in hours, all because of a rate change smaller than most people's credit card interest. That's why the yen matters to you, even if you've never set foot in Tokyo. Your 401k, your stocks, your savings, they're all quietly tied to a currency 10,000 miles away. And here's the scary part. Analysts say that same trade is quietly rebuilding right now.